This is a 2006 Chevrolet Tahoe. This SUV has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features include an 8-speaker stereo system, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, alloy wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a passenger side vanity mirror, a passenger side airbag, a split folding rear seat, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, and an auxiliary power outlet. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Hunziker Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 801 North State Street in Preston.